We are on the MSC Seascape. This is day 4 of 28, and we are in Costa Maya today. I thought we would do a quick room tour because we did not get off the ship today because we don't like Costa Maya. Only because it just gets so crowded. If there's more than like 2 ships in port, it's just a crowded mess, and it's not very much fun. So that being said, let's do a room tour. We are in cabin 5155. We are in an interior. All right, here we are, cabin 5155. And I do need to use the key as the light, like right away. Okay. It should be turning on. Let's see. Oops. Wait, sorry. There we go. All right, sorry about that. And I hit this thing. I don't know what I hit. Do not disturb, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, when you walk in, here's do not disturb or make up the room. And then the light goes like outside for the steward to see. All right, so here we are. They have some of my favorite hooks. I love hooks in cabins. It's my favorite. And then here is the thermostat. Let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is absolutely not one of my favorite bathrooms on any cruise ship. I'm a big guy, husband's a big guy, and it's just very tight on this ship. The last ship we were on was Grandiosa. It was not that bad. This one is bad, at least anyway for me. So toilets, all that stuff, all your basic stuff. Underneath here is the garbage can, which took me forever to find on the first time we ever went on MSC. Shower. It is really tight. I don't know. I can't do it. But it's going to be a long 28 days. But whatever, I make it work. All right. A bottle of champagne we get for doing back-to-back, or not back-to-backs. For being diamond, we get a bottle of champagne and, excuse the mess. And you get these, like, chocolate things, and you get those little macaroons for being diamond. But there's, like, a little chair underneath here, garbage can, plenty of drawers, excuse me, mini bar. This is one of my favorite things on MSC is the pillow. You can order pillows. It explains the different kind of pillows, and then when you get to it, there is well, the pillow's in here somewhere. Anyway, it's fun. So we told the steward, and we got pillows. We got like this memory foam pillows, super nice. Either end of the beds, there are little tables, and there's only a plug on one side of the bed. And we found this cute, they don't usually make towel animals very often on MSC, but I made him one this morning. I'll show that to you. And then he made us one in return. Kind of funny. This is a mess, but there's a chair here, which is nice. A giant oversized mirror, whatever. A lot of space here. So I'm glad they put a chair there, even though it's just a catch-all, whatever. It is what it is. It's like we're at home. This side has dirty clothing in it, so no need to see that. This is more storage. And then there's 3 drawers down here. TV does kind of slide out like that to face the bed, or here to face the non-existent chair. We also got bathrobes because we're diamond, so that's kind of cool. And I think that is it. So that's it. That's the interior cabin. It's not bad. It's just the bathroom I wish was a little bigger, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. Otherwise, I like it. I mean, interior rooms are all we really need. We cruise so much, as most of you know, that we don't need to spend money on balconies, ocean views, all that kind of stuff. We do want to try the yacht club. It is on our list. Being a travel agent, I can usually get some discounted yacht club rooms. I mean, they're still pretty expensive, but I can definitely get a good discount. So yeah, if I do yacht club, you will definitely be the first to know. Well, okay, second to know. But that is it. Like I said, we're here for 28 days. Also, if you ever need any help, if you're MSC curious, then you want to book MSC Cruise, I don't blame you, because MSC is becoming our favorite cruise line more and more and more each time we sail. So if you want help booking your next MSC cruise, please reach out to me at dave@hiddenducktravel.com or head to our website, hiddenducktravel.com, and we'll get you on MSC. All right. Anyway, make sure you hit the smash button. Follow us, subscribe, like. We have a lot of really cool cruises coming up over the next 2 years. After we leave here, we are headed to Carnival Panorama in June, and I think July. No, not July, just June. Maybe part of July. Yeah, July 4th. So we got back-to-back in June and July on Carnival. And then in the end of July, we're hopping on Princess, and we're going from New York City to Sydney, Australia. It's a 37-day world cruise segment. So that's a lot of fun. I'm a little scared for the flight home, but because we're going to be flying home from Sydney to Seattle, because then we're going to be boarding Carnival Spirit. No, Miracle? A Miracle. And we're taking Seattle to Alaska for a back-to-back in Alaska, and then heading back to Hawaii, and then from Hawaii going to the Panama Canal and ending in Mobile. So it's going to be like 50-something days doing that trip. Yeah, so we have a lot going on. You don't want to miss it. So definitely hit the smash button, like button, tell a friend, all that stuff, thumbs up, and we'll see you later.